No. Let me explain why I'm saying that. Let me explain why I'm saying that. No.
Make us about vigilance. No.
Nice.
No, vigilance is our Grammys.
Man.
Vigilance is our Grammys. Don't say that.
Then how many Shatawale Nankasa, yeah, preset, yeah, punishing them. What hasn't he said about the VGM?
But I just to draw say no more about what thing. I make us say let's see Ken Nimti no more.
How many?
Shatawale, no, on your last year.
You don't say that.
I should say that.
No.
I'm expecting them. I'm expecting that was why.
But me I impact where the
A heavy song. And at that time, no, he spoke to the time. I said, "Now, I think we're free. Don't go home. Don't go brother."
No, that song came before so.
Yeah, but I said in the hype, no, gaining traction. No, now as been an artist of most automatic.
Okay.
So when you cry because of the estimate, no, and on this Tomboy break, no, Nidino. Every year louder.
Okay.
Okay. All the time when you are under the shadow of someone, don't forget say oh shiny outbreak. Oh no. It is a party bema. Don't begrudge yourself too much. So one to one to shiny.
Okay.
So do not this time it is what in one and a few be one because those is not boy my in my story. It is man for anybody. It is in that party for when the YouTube videos are Samian say
Close to 1 million views.
Yeah.
Close to 1
That's
million.
a lot of views.
Now one category I go for we feel say we there nka we are for me no be pie mo a nka be boa pa but ye fan kan dancehall, that's reggae dancehall song of the year. Raskuku Mimpaibo, J. Derobi, Poverty, Episode Resolution, AK Songstrix, Stamina, Jupiter, Top Sheller, Article 1, Reggae, Reggae Dancehall Song of the Year.
Tony. Well, I mean, it is clear. It is clear. I mean, as I said, me prediction we do on even when the nominees listen about when we show online.
I see.
But me, I'll give it to Poverty.
Okay.
Because that song was huge.
It was huge.
Okay, they were winning nana. So when we know maybe votes then the one. Say by public votes there was a public and then the academy. No?
Yeah.
So when we know that I think say they are only fans.
Okay.
We know that only fans.
Okay.
You might get a big song.
Okay.
But not only fans.
Okay.
You know they own a I know hey, so that song for me, what category is Poverty is the biggest in that. Because and you are what I think of
Yeah.
There are so many of the reggae dancehall songs that category I will mention the main kind of company.
Top Sheller by Jupiter. I'm sure you don't remember that.
Yeah.
Resolution Episode. Article 1 Reggae.
Oh, no, I said also on like a new way. But at this time we don't need to remember a new way.
Goes to be able.
Yeah, so I mean for me I'll give it to Poverty General. And I'm going to say when you need now it means only fans are but also a winning category.
Okay. Question answer.
When I was there, we make a dinner. I will maintain that Shatawale didn't deserve this absence. No. Stonebwoy fight because it was Stonebwoy who do the gun. At the end of the day, I see it to me identify as a corporates and punish them accordingly. To me, right? You society, you was a hypocrisy war. At the end, Zayo, and Madame, you know, 18 years. Remember, no was 16, or man was 16, or man, you to meet them. Yes, I will marry. So, no. As we see, the first testing you should speak against that. They also punishing one area. Somebody with it. It is two. But two trade it doesn't take two. No. The shut ever knows to the tree. And also we do two for years. And I know for this long. It is no first time when they and also about the shorty program no insubordinate to you know only there was a scrap award from them. Fine. But going forward, if you are still punishing the truth because of that particular incident, and then I'm the kind of say, and so security detail and introduction or more
Where punishment? Award actually. Will you be free? But I have to find No. Let me explain why I'm saying that. no.
Man, cause about vigilance. No.
Nice.
No, vigilance is our Grammys.
Man.
Na there be na
Vigilance is
go.
our Grammys. Don't say
Then
that.
how many Shatawale Nankasa, yeah, preset, yeah, punishing on. What hasn't he said about the VGM?
But I just to draw say no more about thing. I make us say let's see can him to no more.
How
many?
What did they last year? Shut up. No, on your last year.
Who do say that?
You should say that.
No, all these artists, even those who've gotten artists of the year.
So now who discredited
I am not the one
Someone
saying maybe you are not understanding. Let me say it in their voice. Award Ashimi.
Well,
That is what I'm saying. Omo Nika. I said the Oka say, oh, Ediane Enyede. Now Ediane Enyede Madi Ejami how? You get that's what I'm trying to say. Shatawale Nankasa award no, a bogus award. Every Shatawale has said so many times. A lot of these artists, like over artists 10, a move 5, a DVGM is not 10. Well, it become on from their level say awards no.
Awards no. That aspect in it. Because we are not here to discuss Teska woman nice game.
Tiana one call radio no a lot of things about Saturday.
Yeah.
Last two Sunday. Now, no, there's certain things but just say it. Showbiz. So the fact that artists like us say last year the one that you're mentioning, no only Obi. He was there.
Yeah.
A lot of these guys before last year.
On the gun.
Awards there. Every year encore. No, those things. Just saying the can I hype and those things.
So I'm also just saying it.
No.
We are not taking yours. Okay, let's jump up to hip hop song of the year. Yo, Kofi Mole, Don't Be Late. Sako de Bleeding. Kwake featuring Mr. Easy, Sconti Medical, and Sako de Dondo remix. And Medical featuring Kofi Mole again there, and Joy B as well, Drip. Joy B featuring Kwesi Arthur and Sako de La Familia. Eno Baroni featuring Kofi Mole, Mind Your Business. Kwesi Arthur, Thoughts of Ken Arthur 5, and a Strongman featuring Manifest, Up and Down. Hip hop song of the year. Mami Zanke Bivomo. Kofi Mole, Don't Be Late. Sako de Bleeding, Kwakese featuring Mr. Easy, Sconti Medical, and Sako de Dodo remix. And yes, our Medical featuring Kofi Mole and Joy B Drip. Joy B featuring Kwesi Arthur and Sako de La Familia. If you why feature Eno Baroni featuring Kofi Mole, Mind Your Business. Kwesi Arthur, Thoughts of Ken Arthur 5, and a Strongman featuring Manifest, Up and Down.
Tony.
Yeah, man.
They can't win a hip hop artist I'll give the hip hop artist to somebody.
Okay.
Because which category we are. Also not Uguza said somebody I was saying. Sarkodie is dominating everywhere, which is he did a lot of stuff in the year and the review. Okay. So I'll give the hip hop artist to Sarkodie. Until I'm out.
Alright.
Ebahana
song now.
Wait, the mind best rapper.
Okay, rapper.
Yeah, so me bad they was to see now as in the hip hop song of the year.
Song now.
And no one the only lady in it.
Yeah.
So I'm tempted to be biased. But I say yeah from a party and remember doing the remix.
Why?
Because all the rappers on it.
Okay.
The
remix, yeah.
Yeah, but I was there Ocean Moon I remember
yeah.
Na eno so effort to
is it the very first time that category of RPA woman now?
I'm sure Eno has been nominated before.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll give it to Eno.
Alright.
Because on the only lady of forcing so.
Okay.
So I'll give it to
Alright, this year so the one band say baby.
I'm right, so she did so well.
Yeah, the performance. Yeah, it was splendid.
And I told him boy.
Yeah. So this category.
No, not every hour in yes, yeah, from platforms that you have to do over Timothy. Baby, if I find so over Timothy. No, but I'm a mechanic. To say, you did the enemy. Now, because a Diane way and yet. Nobody a dear down, not who's near, because it may be a Diane way be now this one. Not because a Diane and yet, you did how they say.
I told you, Echo.
Right. Funny.
Yeah, man.
Eno, Afena, a month for Adrabaniso.
Eno.
Yes.
Eno.
No, me no, Eno, my. And now, Eno, and a lot of following. Even the likes of Sako Democrat tagging as a force to reckon with. One who after or starting say on a sister fear issues way banner. I a strong man. Omu say yes. Eno na nsemo. So now those who didn't know Eno will go back and listen to Eno and Kofi Mole and know that Mind Your Business a hip hop song that deserves to be in this category. One, they will know that it's a hip hop song really from this category and hardly. In the same way, Zion can not because Eno a your bounty, but in reality.
The Quakes.
Quakes, no, Yanum for Ningus.
Where's it?
Right. In fact, they don't go about the Oriental Cape. Meaning, reason, they may two or more Ibia, the Intermatrama, and rise because of your back. They do rap on the bra at the same CC. About what you say, the Diabo. Yes, she can take them down.
Okay.
Other than that, the Academy.
I want us to take a listen to that song.